guys, I'm Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and I have a package from Alum and Ink today, which is one of my favorite subscriptions. And sadly, the post office kind of mangled and chewed up this package. I've already got it opened up, partly because I thought I hit the record button and I didn't. Now, she did a really good job of wrapping everything, but again, you can't help what a post office does. So sadly, it looks like one of the little prongs got bent up, which for me is not an issue because I'm going to be snipping off that and turning it into a needle minder. And I've never had that issue before, so I don't think it's a problem. But look at that. It is a manta ray, and he is just beautiful. I love him. Oh, I already have a pink stingray from her, but that blue manta ray is just something special. I can't wait to use him as a needle minder as well. And she is a small, I think she's a one-woman shop. I don't know that she has anybody helping her, but just a small business, and she puts out the most stunning artwork. Look at that manta ray. Oh my gosh. So there is the pin and the sticker side by side. And let me just tell you, that is beautiful. I'm going to have to find space on my laptop for this one because that is just so pretty. And then she threw in a little extra freebie flower. I love getting these little flowers. I stick them all over the place, like my sewing machine and my computer and anywhere else I can find space for them. And yes, I am very pleased with this. Even though my prong got a little bit messed up, like I said, for me personally, that's not an issue. If you are getting these from her, I don't think you'll have an issue with it getting messed up like that in the mail, because honestly, this is the first time I've ever had that happen, and I've been ordering from her for probably close to a year now. Not the subscription for a year, but just ordering from her in general. Actually, it's been over a year. She is definitely one of my favorite online artists. I am going to link her shop in the description box down below, along with the link to her Patreon site, which is where she has the little subscription that you can sign up for. It is, part of being a Patreon member, which, if you like her artwork, I highly suggest, because you get some exclusives to it. And I am not an affiliate. I'm just a big fan. She is the sweetest thing. She sent me a very caring note when I was ill, and I've got to say, big fan. I highly recommend checking out her work because she's got lots of other stuff besides just pins and stickers too, if you're interested. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye.